Welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a very small tips, but it's very helpful. Okay. So this my assignment. So I just skip this one. So today I will introduce you about the line spacing and intent. Okay, two step. First of all, you have to go to simply view and ruler inside of that's called the ruler. Okay, you have to tick like correct. Okay, tick and tick, then that's called grid lines, and that's the navigation pen. That's called navigation pen. You can go to the literature review, you can go to the research gaps, so you just use this navigation pen, then grid line, then ruler. That's called the ruler. So if you write this one manually, by manually like this one, and go to home page again and select this one, but click this and click this, never will come this the main pages. Okay, I just deleted it. Okay, simply I am just showing to you how can do it. You will do. Okay, so just to go this and to go to view and to go to your ruler tick, then you just come through this here. You can watch this. Okay guys, that's called the pen. Okay, that's called the ruler intent. Okay, then line spacing is very easy. Okay, you just delete this and to go to your format inside and view here. Okay, that's the very easy ways. Your line and paragraph spacing, here you can go to your line spacing option, then here is the double space, line spacing double. That's my requirement on the assignment. Okay, the first line you can go to 0.25, and you can use this 0.50. It's totally depend on you. Okay, 1.5 lines, then it will simply near the another line. That's the very easy way. Okay, so if you need line spacing, you can open the another requirement, like this one, just article and plus IIUM, and then final assignment submission. Then you can go to your line spacing. Here is the requirement. Okay, margin 1 NC margin on all sites, on sites. That's called here the one, and here's the one. Okay, then after that you just go double space, spacing double, double space times new roman 12. Okay, so that is the requirement. You just fill up this one and go to your file submission from here. Now you just check your intent file and line spacing 2.0. You can go to this 2.0. Okay, because this is the requirement. Double space, it's not 2.0. That's called the double space. You just go to spacing again and check requirement, and line spacing option, line spacing double. Okay, that's called the double. Okay, double, that means 1 and 2. Now okay, so that is our video. And obviously guys, if you like this video and subscribe my, obviously if you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. And again, you can go to your panel, and here is the richest proposal. Click this, double click and change it easily. Okay, then there is the running ahead. You can go to the running ahead. Okay, but running page, it's totally depend on you. I just deleted it, no problem. Then close this head and footer. Then you can go to your page in this here. You can click this double, then you can write here something, but I don't need, that's why I just deleted it. Okay, that's called the, and table and contents page. Also I will show you another tips. Go to your references, then table of content. You can use this one, you can use this one, it's totally depend on you, or you can use this table of content. That is the menu format, is the absolutely simple, but that is the professional, but I don't like it. But that is the heading 3. I just like it. Okay, so that's why. So that is our video. So guys, if you like my video, obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.